Hey, so babes, y'all already know what time it is. It's prom season. And this is a couple of dresses that I done worked on in the meantime. But for today, I got something special for you guys. So come on, get ready, because we got a prom dress on the way. This is an inspiration picture from my client, and we're going to begin by showing all the stuff we're going to be using to make it. We have the 4-way stretch sequin fabric, the mesh, scissors, we got measuring tape, thread to match the same color as the sequin, and pins. Of course, you need a sewing machine. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, there's some paper next to these paper patterns. I use the measurements from my client to draft my own patterns, and then I'm just going to lay it on this mesh and trace around. Ta-da! So this is what we end up with. I also did a pattern for a mask because all my dolls get matching masks this prom season. As you can see, the fabric is folded in half. Most of the pattern pieces I have made say cut on fold, so I'm going to just adjust it and lay the pattern where there's a fold and cut there. You'll just see me here adjusting until I get it where I want it. Ta-da! This is after I've already cut all the pieces out. As you can see, I did not do lining for the bottom of the skirt, only to keep from being able to see through the top part of the dress. Okay, watch closely here, dolls, because this is where I show you how you are going to be sewing the pieces together. You're going to turn the right sides together and you're going to sew around the rim. Leave a 1-inch opening on the very bottom. This is just me turning all the pieces right sides facing before I get ready to put them under the machine. And this is what we have left. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I sew everything together, the lining and the sequin, and then I'm going to show you how to attach all the pieces together for the final product. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in part 2.